I'm Dr. Surbhi. I'm a dermatologist from Mumbai. I've heard so much about semi-permanent makeup, and when you talk about semi-permanent makeup, you talk about Dr. Gunjan Shah. I've heard so much about her. So this was long due, and I'm very excited to get a training from iBrow Academy.
So how was your hands-on training experience, ma'am?
I've attended a lot of trainings, but very few trainings where hands-on is such extensive and so long and makes you confident to practice right away. So that was a great experience.
So how you are feeling confidence about microblading and permanent trainings?
The 5 days were so extensive and so detailed that I don't need any other training or any other practice to start doing it. I can start it right away.
Okay. So how was your experience with trainer Dr. Gunjan Shah?
I think I don't have words to describe her. She's magnetic and she's very charismatic. Being around her, you feel like the burst of energy. Everything was broken down to such simple words that understanding color theory or understanding what to choose, when to choose makes it very easy.
So would you recommend our trainings, ma'am?
Obviously, any friend, any colleague, any fellow person asks me where to learn permanent makeup, there's only one name that comes to mind is iBrow Academy.
Okay, ma'am. So how was your experience moving from Mumbai to Ahmedabad for trainings?
I think that is the best decision. When I would have trained in Mumbai, I would have not given my 100%. Coming to Ahmedabad was the best decision because I could give my entire 9-10 hours in a day to understand, to be in the academy and understand the other workings of the academy. So that really helped.